The Panzerfaust III is a modern semi-disposable recoilless anti-tank weapon, which was developed between 1978 and 1985 and first entered service with the Bundeswehr in 1987. It was first ordered in 1973 to provide West German infantry with an effective weapon against contemporary Soviet armor, thereby replacing West Germany's aging PZF-44 Light Lanze launchers and the heavy Carl Gustaf 84mm anti-tank recoilless rifle manufactured in Sweden. The Panzerfaust III is operated by at least 11 countries and has first seen combat in Afghanistan. The Panzerfaust III's name dates back to the Panzerfaust used by the German army in World War II, which consisted of a small, disposable preloaded launch tube firing a high-explosive anti-tank warhead operated by a single soldier. The introduction of reactive and active armors on combat vehicles of the then Warsaw Pact countries started a development in the technology of the capability of the warheads. The effective range and the optical sights of anti-tank recoilless rifles were therefore improved substantially. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.